Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today is bargain of the week and I actually have a nail polish product that I don't really do nails a lot on here. So yeah, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. I always have a hair or a fuzz in my face. Okay, if you're like me, you're on Pinterest a lot because you're trying to cope with the world and the fact that you're obsessed with true crime. So every now and then you've watched a documentary that shudders you to your core and you're like, I need to decompress. So you turn on Golden Girls and then you log into Pinterest and you just scroll through the beautiful pictures of decorated cakes with fondant, Disney vacations, and cute oversized sweaters with skinny jeans and booties. Because if you look at my style inspiration board, that's all it is. Peter Pan collars, polka dots, and skinny jeans with chunky sweaters and booties. Okay, so I saw this hack, and I'm kind of skeptic when it comes to hacks. I have my own hacks, and then I don't even realize what I'm doing is a hack. Remember when you would call someone a hack? You hack. I wonder if that means like somebody who kind of doesn't do things the right way, and that's where we got that name, because a hack is sort of a shortcut, right? Or kind of like a, anyway. And it was a hack for a at-home DIY gel manicure. So the kind that you don't need a lamp for, that you don't need to go to the salon for, and that just, you know, lasts forever. And I was about to redo my nails because I'm really bad. You guys have seen me on here where I just have some chipped nail polish and it looks so bad. I know. And I love a gel manicure. I just haven't had one in at least 6 months. And I'm very hard on my hands. I wash my hands a lot. I think with the climate, things change your hands, your nails get affected because my nails look great in the summer and crappy in the winter. And yeah, so I'm all about a shortcut. I'm being lazy. I don't often want to, I'm not one of those people that changes my nail polish like every other day. I think that's amazing, people who do that, but anyway. So I'm looking at this hand, and this is my left hand, and it's my non-dominant hand, and I get that, but I'm like, huh, you know, this polish is at least 10 days old, and it's looking good. And then I look back into my bin and I'm like, what did I do? Oh yeah. So I'm like, before I change it, I'm going to show you and I'm going to tell you. Now this hand, the reason I'm not bragging about this hand is this hand I used a different top coat, and it was a test. I was like, I'm going to see if this actually works. Now I know it's not fair to use my dominant hand on the crappy top coat and my left hand with the good one, but honestly, I didn't know which one was going to be better or not. And it was kind of like I should try this and I should try that. And then because it's been 10 days, I'm thinking it kind of doesn't count. Like it doesn't matter which hand, because I'm using both of these a lot. Okay. All right. So the magic product is this thing called Gel Us, and it's spelled like gel and then us, like jealous. And it is on Amazon. I have not been able to find this in a store. It's called American Classics Gel-Us Advanced Nail Gel Coat. And it is made in the USA. I don't know what's in here. I'm going to hope it's like formaldehyde free and all that other carcinogenic stuff. I got it on Amazon. I think it was $10. I don't know if it was Prime. Maybe it took a week to get to me. I don't know. Maybe it also takes longer because they have to be careful of flammable ingredients. It might be in a beauty supply store. I don't know. It said to put the base coat on, to put the color coat on, to then put this on, and then repeat the process. Put a color coat on and then another gel layer. Well, I did it that way, and honestly, it took forever because this takes a long time to dry and set. And over the top of the color coat, it seemed like you had to wait a long time for the color to set because it would kind of, you know how it smears and then you've got like red in your top coat. You know what I'm talking about. So what I did, which worked just fine, is I didn't do the double layers. I just did a base coat, and I happened to use Essie. This is the base coat. Gee, what a clever name. It's called First Base, and it's that greenish one. I don't know if this is like a grippy one or not, but I do like kind of the grippy base coats. Okay, so I did that, and then I put on, why do I not have it here? Oh, I do, it's just a different shade. I'm actually using Jane Austen. This is not a bargain nail polish, but you can get it at Ulta, you can get it at Neiman Marcus. It's lacquer from London Town. They sent me this from the summer. I think they sent me their summer shades and their fall shades, and it is awesome. If you have the money to spend on any of these nail products, do it. Ulta has it. You can use your coupon. I think they're like in the prestige nail price range of, you know, like $15 for a top coat or something like that. This shade is called Opal, and it's really pretty. I'm using this shade I'm wearing is called Jane Austen. It's like ballet slippers. It is totally ballet slippers from Essie. So I would say that this and Essie are like my favorite polishes. The polish from Essie that's the gel polish is phenomenal, and regular Essie polish is great too. I also love Wet n Wild nail polish. Yes, it's fabulous. Sally Hansen nail polish, good stuff. Color Therapy is the one I prefer. This one is shade Smoky Emerald, and it is the most gorgeous, like, duochrome mix. Can I get that? There we go. Oh, it's like emerald, it's purple, it's just beautiful. Oh, and now you can see my nails. You can see them in focus. Yeah, so I like this. Now, couple things. I'm just saying, this is good stuff. Don't do the double layer if you don't want to. Do just base coat, nail polish, I like Essie or London Town, and then this, and let it dry for like 20-30 minutes. Let it set really good before you do anything, because I mess it up. I mess it up all the time because I'm impatient and I don't live a life of leisure. Who does? Okay, let me tell you the one that didn't work so well. So this is new. This is Mega Strength. This Sally Hansen has some new like gel, mega something, whatever. This is the Ultra Shine top coat, and it was the one on this side. It just didn't fill the bill, as you say. Like, it just kind of, yeah. It's still good. I mean, it's still good. It's just not great. And so this is new. I even got the, what did I get with this? It's good. It's not great. But this is pretty good, and it doesn't peel my nails. That's what I love. The London Town is really protective of nails. Your nails don't peel. Something that destroyed my nails, I got it at Walmart. It's this Nail Magic Hardener and Conditioner. No. It's like putting chemical waste on your hands. It is such a strong smell. It smells like a hobby shop, like the glue you make to build, you know, airplanes and RC cars, and my nails peeled. It could be my chemistry, it could be the way I'm made, and this product did not like each other. Okay, but my body does like. But this is from Walmart, and it's pretty good. It's Supreme Gel Pro FX. That Pro FX line from Walmart is not bad. It's cheap and it's pretty decent. Okay, so this is a top coat. And then other favorite top coats are, this P2 Shine. This is also from Walmart. This whole nail polish line is good. They've got, it's made in France. It's $2.99. It's made in France. I don't know why that always impresses me, like, oh, it's made in Italy. Yes, because the Europeans are superior. This Essie top coat, fabulous. So Essie, I even do it because you don't, okay. So the way the Essie polish works is you can do this and you do this and you're good to go. And they say you don't need a base coat. But if I use a base coat and these, oh my gosh. And then if you do this and then you put this on top, you know where I'm going with this. It's good. You're gonna have some really good salon-worthy nails that don't break the bank. I mean, if you buy 15 products, of course, at Rite Aid, you're like, well, shit, I could have gone for 3 gel manicures at the salon. That you have things at home to use. I know we all do. I know we're all curious. And so those just work for me. And whenever, I'm always like on the hunt for really cheap, so that at home, you know, you don't have to make an appointment to go somewhere. If this lasts for several days and it looks decent and it's a few coats, then great, right? Right? I mean, it's like, it's good enough for me. There you have it. That's my bargain of the week. I will list everything below, blah, blah, blah. That's what I always say. And if you have, and you know, the Seche Vite, I know I've talked about that before. Oh God, there's some others. You know, there are some workhorse nail products, and yeah. And have you ever done the dip? Let me know, like the dip thingies. I still haven't done that, but I'm super curious. So, alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm only making fun of that, like kind of going, because I feel like I'm so redundant. You know, like this is the part that you feel so weird. Like, oh, please subscribe and thanks for watching. But honestly, I really, truly, I'm thankful for you watching, and I really do want you to subscribe. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much. And like I said, I'll leave everything below. Please click that description box so you can see links, so you can see discount codes and whatnot that I may have, right? And other places to follow me on social media. Maybe other videos of mine you'd like to check out. Okay, so I will see you next time. Bye.